So I'm doing a bit of cleaning on my 4Runner, and I've decided to remove the front seat just to help cleaning up everything, and the lower side of the back seat. So I'm just going to show you how to do that in case you ever need to do that, maybe to do some cleaning, maybe to run some wiring underneath. I've done this before to run some wire underneath, so right now there's some wires going across here that work with my reverse camera. Anyway, I'll show you how to remove this seat. So for the seat, first of all, slide the seat backwards so that you get access to these two bolts. These are 14 mils from the factory, but just find the correct size for whatever you got. And at the rear, you will probably find yourself with a couple of covers on the rear ones. So these covers look like this, and the tabs run like that. So ideally you won't be pushing them upwards because they may break, so sliding them outwards is the ideal approach, but we will just remove them in whichever way we can. So we'll just try to use a flathead screwdriver and see if we can prise it off, and sliding it frontwards or backwards or sideways, whichever way you decide to describe it. Now that's not working in my case here, so I'm just going to try to slowly prise it off. There we go. One side is out, the other side is out, and nothing broke. That's just a bit of wear in the tab. So for the other tab, again, just trying to slide it out if possible. Not having any luck. No, so I'm just going to try to prise it outwards. So this time I'm going to try to just push it sideways here so that the tab opens a bit and the screwdriver flies out. But you can see that it did work. And there you go, tabs are out, no damage to them. Now, 14mm socket. You may need to give this a bit of torque depending on how tight it comes from the factory, but it's not particularly tight in my case, or well, the first one wasn't. You may find it easier to do this from the rear seat, whichever way access works best. So that's one out. That's the other one out. Now slide the seat to the front. Just do the same in the two front bolts. Now, one thing to keep in mind when removing the seat in a second is that some cars My 4Runner doesn't have this, or as far as I remember it doesn't, but some cars have a little light that comes on telling you to put your seatbelt. So you may find as you are pulling out your seat that there is a wire connected to it. In my case there's no electrical wires or anything, so you just pull your seat out and then you can do your spring cleaning. Right, and now the lower side of the rear seat. So the way to remove this is to first of all grab a 12mm and then you pull this tab up, so the seat is closed down. You pull this tab up so that it unlocks, and then you pull the seat upwards. So you can see that this tab locks over here. And now the easiest way to remove this is removing these two bolts in here. Which you may want to use a socket or a spanner, whatever it's easiest. Mine are particularly loose already. I will probably tighten them harder than right now when I put it back. And there you go, and the part is out. So yeah, now we have a security system in here which seems a bit loose. I may need to do something about that, but yeah, that's how you remove the seats, and then you may find yourself some little treasures in the middle of the dirt. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you guys get some use out of this video.